Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you review of Milky Mist cheese slice and cheese sandwich recipe. So MRP of this 200 gram pack is 170 rupees, but we get this one for rupees 97 from Amazon, which is 43% discount, and the shelf life of this one is 9 months. It contains 10 individual square shaped slices and which is wrapped with thin transparent sheet. I tried it in the pasta. It melted amazingly just like that. You can also fill this and make cheese paratha. So moving on to the cheese sandwich recipe, take chopped vegetables of your choice. I took tomato, carrot, a capsicum, onion. And to this add 2 spoons of home milk malai, or you can add cream also. And then seasoning, chili flakes, salt, and finally give it a mix. Keep stuffing on the bread slice. Now cover it with a cheese slice and other bread. Now simply grill it or roast it on a tawa. The cheese melts so easily and it's yum. It's not so great when it comes to the taste, but the flavor of the cheese is good. Taste wise, I would still prefer Amul cheese slices over this. I bought them at amazing price. It's a great value for money product if you compare other brand cheese slices. So you can give this one a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.